century folklore, a princess and her husband from the Javanese Hindu Majapahit Empire had to sacrifice their youngest kid or prince. The couple implored the gods for rain after years of marriage since they were unable to have children. Once their wishes were fulfilled, and they were promised 25 children, they consented to send their youngest kid into Mount Bromo as a sacrifice. According to folklore, this son voluntarily jumped into the volcano to ensure the Tengger people's prosperity. Every year on 26th of June, the Tengger still practice this month-long ritual, but they do not sacrifice humans. Unless a misfortune with tourists has accidentally tripped into it circumstantially. And such things do happen overnight. Indonesia, sitting right atop of the Pacific Ring of Fire, is home to 129 active volcanoes. And quite naturally, these volcanoes play a big part in their culture. Mount Bromo is one of the most popular of them all. An active volcano in the eastern part of Java Island in Indonesia, with the last recent eruption in 2015 followed by a very recent one in July 18, 2019. In order for our trip to reach Mount Bromo, we will stop at Samoro village, where we will ride a motorcycle up. It was a difficult journey which is not recommendable. A 4x4 Jeep is a better option, but we were only 2 persons at the time arriving through this volcano. Later, we will meet 3 other Germans, that we can share a Jeep back. The journey took us from the capital of Surabaya, to the city of Malang, a small town called Probolinggo, then an outpost that is Samoro village. Before we embark on this journey, we had planned to be equipped with high-quality gas mask, goggles, hiking boots, and map. From the other way of the map direction, we climbed and entered Mount Ijen, witnessed the blue flame, and journey into the forbidden realm of the Toto Eyes Lake. The view of the crater rim and the Mount Penanjak and sunrise viewpoint was the itinerary following the scheduled timing into it all. After the sunrise, the Sea of Sand is the main attraction, with local tribes or horses offering unreasonable service prices for it all. Beware of some, as I was being ripped off with flowers for $10, or 10 rupiah. With $10, I can buy 10 bakso.
Because it's
in this crazy German guy which came with us from Samora village start to ride a motorcycle to Shove. Most probably from the 2 new German chicks we engaged and met few minutes ago. The crazy guy.
Okay. 50 naik kuda. Ya. 50,000.
Beware of him. Another scammer. He is following me or us. 50,000 rupiah for 2 kilometers. I had told him before not to follow us, but he is still doing it. Later, he will tell others that he is our guide.
die Sonne soll richtig stark sein hier.
ich aufpassen. Ich habe mich schon morgens eingecremt. Haben wir irgendwie aber als Vorschlag, ich habe irgendwie so Bali und Umgebung und so, und stand halt irgendwie Surabaya und es war genau der gleiche Fall. Ich habe geguckt, wo das so ist und so. Dann habe ich Surabaya eingegeben, habe direkt hier diese Volcanic Area und sowas gesehen. Ich dachte, scheiß drauf, dann fliege ich erstmal dahin. Ich habe keinen Plan gehabt, vorgestern Abend dann einfach gesagt, yo, irgendwie Bromo, da muss man hin, und dann direkt hierher gekommen. Richtig geil.
Ich glaube, hier wird, glaube ich, noch heftiger, wenn man da den Kran reinsteigt.
The selfie and the views are marvelous and fascinating. I think every tourist shall be capturing the side views and angles from these small volcanic formations.
Stell mal, wird so ein abgestürzter Vulkan.
Ayo, pulangnya cepat, ya.
Let's go, wait, guys. 10 dah, 10.
Hey, they're left already.
10 punya.
Another scammer. $10 or 10 rupiah. Just for flowers to throw into the volcano for sacrifice. Beware of him.
Nah, udah dilempar. Ritual.
Apa?
Ya? Ini 30.
Oh, 30. Apa aja? Mati.
Berapa maunya?
Ada.
Ya, berapa maunya? Berapa?
Coba ya.
20 dah.
Minutes ago and minutes after, I was at this volcano. It is so suffocating and smoky. The aftermath can be extremely excruciating, and where's their poisonous gases, there's the chance of lung cancer. Perhaps, the obtainable flowers was a regret not to throw. There's say no luck, no sacrifice.
From here we gotta go somewhere to see something, only I don't know what.
Take some water first. Pit stop for 5 minutes.
What, are you going to take a jeep?
100,000
100,000.
for renting the gym, I think. I think you can fit 4 or 5 people or share a stand.
Well, that's okay.
Depends on you, if you want
25,000.
your height is 1 hour, very tiny.
Can
Guys, did you hear?
No.
No. I think that's really good. What he's. Are you staying here
Yes.
like 1 hour or
1
something?
hour, okay.
Yeah, I go eat.
Okay,
and I come back
okay.
later.
Okay, timangan,
Okay,
timangan.
thank you,
Okay,
guys.
okay. Okay.
As a memory for the walk.
See? Not clear now. Okay.
Always, remember to wear an army cap. It indicates that if they scum and rip you off, you got some supreme authority and power over them. If you do get a chance holding a gun or pistol, that will do the job in softening their presence.
Hello, ini. Ni. Ada dik.
Okay.
Come on here. Hello, sini. Dia. Demi ya.
Ayo. Okay, should we go?
Can you take water? You not take water?
Mountain.
Apa nama? Let's go to dirty. Minum?
Oh, fuck. I thought an atomic bomb exploded in the distance.
Coba ya, aku coba. Sopo.
The difference between the 2 hours gap can see the sunset and sunrise intervals. Beware. Finally, I realized that this German guy can be a bit more crazy. Sitting right at the corner of a stone cliff. If I would kick him from behind, he will fall down from a mountain higher than a volcano. What do you guys think, if I will kick him from behind, or just stumble behind by accident?
Something.
晒太阳要放油，真的要别睡，别睡。Use the pointless. So I wear the goggles for painting.
Yeah. Oh, we were thinking of going, but
protection
everyone was
is
saying
good
the
because-
sulfuric acid gas is really bad, so we were like,
it's not healthy only. That's all.
and we
So
couldn't
guys,
find the masks.
What's the
Or
plan?
maybe a week if you want a week. The one person died.
Use tourists as well.
Recording what?
Doing a
Yes.
slow-mo.
No.
Baik, apa ya? Enlightenment. Wah, langsung foto bareng. Jadi, pergi. Padang kayak raya kan. Bare iki reket gak apa? Kamu mau kalau bareng ngisar?
I wouldn't like to be in an atomic explosion such as Hiroshima or Nagasaki. It just reminds me on this. The atmosphere is breathtaking and refreshing. If you got time to hike and climb up the mountain viewpoints, you will not regret it all. The romantic couples is already celebrating their honeymoon up here. Soon, you will also be enjoying it. You just need to spend some money, extra time and effort.
That's nice. You see?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Good? Good. You ready?
Sorry.
No problem.
If you want, you can stay. Okay. And maybe I see you at the
Take
plate
a picture
anyways.
first.
Die Sonne soll richtig stark sein hier. Soll ich auf? Ich habe schon morgen.
are approaching the end. If you have not watched my other previous videos, especially Mount Egan and the Blue Flame, please do subscribe and give a thumbs up. When you are subscribed, new videos will be notified to you. Let me know if you got any Q&A in the comments below.
Hier, wo der ganze Rauch rauskommt, was ist das?
Tja, warum haben wir... Ja, die Mühen zahlen sich aus.
Video.
Okay,
No stress,
That's
don't
good.
worry.
The guy is not shy in front of the camera. Relief that he will not tell me to video record him, as some especially Germans will. By the way, how do you find these two German chicks? Beautiful, young, sexy, or douchebag? My opinion, I reckon somewhat naughty, decent and pretty in some sorts.
Wenn nicht, mein Gott, der Kessel ist, ne? Was ist das vor? Okay, das ist
That is fucking sick. Huh? That is crazy.
nice. It's crazy. But what?
We have reached the climax. Yes, it is truly amazing. That's why we call it amazing Indonesia. Ja.
Weil wir halt irgendwie gucken müssen, dass wir dann diese Tage einplanen.
Ja, wann fliegt es? Oh,
Mai.
ich fliege am nächsten. Und dann nach Singapur.
Bali nach Bali.
Nee, ja, also ja, 2 Tage Bangkok, dann Bangkok chillen in einer schönen Wohnung mit Swimmingpool.
Habt ihr oder was?
Terrasse und
Von wem? Also gemietet
mein
habt ihr?
Onkel.
Ach, und? Ah,
Also
okay.
die Wohnung da, deswegen ist halt fast nie da. Und, ja, schon echt.
Ihr seid aus Hannover?
Ja, quasi, ja. Ja, wir machen das so Jacket-Schwenk heute, ne? Ja. Da sind auch diese Kaffeekatzen. Wenn die da ausscheißen. Ja, wir zahlen teuer Geld dafür. Nee.
Kaffeekatzen.
Ja, das sind Kaffeespezialitäten. Ich hasse Kaffee. Bei Galeria haben wir jetzt mal gefragt. Ja, I don't know. Keine Ahnung. I mean, ja.
I hope you had the experience you had longed for in a long time.